Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about something really important and relevant for many families across the country, the increase in SNAP food benefits. Now, you might have heard that SNAP benefits are set to increase by $2 per month for a family of 4 this year. Yes, you heard that right, just $2. This small change is far from enough to cover the rising food prices we've all been experiencing. But even with this modest increase, there are ways you can stretch those SNAP dollars further to help make ends meet. First, let's look at why this increase is happening. Every year, the USDA adjusts SNAP benefits to keep up with inflation. For 2025, the maximum monthly allotment for a family of 4 will be $975. While this sounds like a step in the right direction, in reality, it barely makes a dent in combating higher food costs. So, what can you do to make those SNAP dollars go further? One great tip is to use cashback apps that work with EBT payments. These apps can help you get a bit of money back on your purchases. Combine these with coupons and in-store discounts to maximize your savings. The more discounts you can stack, the better. Another helpful resource is the Double Up Food Bucks program available in more than 25 states. This program offers 2-for-1 deals on fruits and vegetables at participating farmers markets and stores. It's a fantastic way to get more nutritious food for your money. Planning is also crucial, so always shop with a list. It sounds simple, but planning your meals and sticking to your list can help you avoid impulse buys and make sure you get everything you need. The USDA offers some free budget recipe ideas that can be really useful if you're looking for inspiration. Buying in bulk is another strategy that can lead to big savings. If you don't have the cash to buy in bulk on your own, consider teaming up with friends or family members to split the costs of a big shopping trip. Even setting aside a few dollars each month for bulk purchases can help over time. Though, if you find yourself really struggling, don't hesitate to seek out emergency assistance. Local soup kitchens and food pantries can provide immediate help. Check out how they operate in your area and what you might need to bring with you, like an ID. It's often a good idea to arrive early to avoid long lines. And, even though the SNAP increase might seem small, every little bit helps. Keep looking for additional benefits and assistance programs that you might qualify for. It's all about finding those small steps that add up over time. So, while the increase in SNAP benefits for 2025 is small, there are plenty of ways to make those dollars stretch further. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other strategies or questions about maximizing your SNAP benefits, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And, as always, make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and take care.